say yes na wo die no ya bibia be dem on fa na ni enchire ha e memma no obi a owo eye na aposo taye ne ya ana say obi a ontimi na ebia
ya mo be bia kwa ba e de aba Kumawu TV we COVID-19 update since yare eba Ghana yana nado ede eto ho se yan ko shedem since that time no na ye de update ebro adwoada ede ko si efia da bia anwumre no nan enefa ye pam cho sende the time no delay yen kakra ye de update ede bro live e wo Kumawu TV ahojo Atenga Junction midin ede Samuel Kwabena Dako me na mede dwumade ho chiame ene abajafo betena sena ya bobo nsem bebrebe ho information minister ene empanyofo bebrebe ne oma aye press briefing eno ho nsem ye behwe video no na fe ya ka ho asem ewa ha COVID-19 update akosi sen efiri he ekohe ne nyina na ye de bama mo live ewa Kumawu TV aha so far confirmed cases are aba 1154 cases 1154 cases and enne aba abeka ho na omo ama recover no 120 9 na omo awuo sabi omo afiri mu ene de ebi emeka ho we ni ensem bebrebe na ye de bema mo live o Kumawu TV sa wo hwe regions so far cases ebaye omo ho atowo omo hospitals cases ebaye omo ho atowo omo wo hwe Ga East ewo 82 na UGMC and also ewo 17 Rich Hospital ewo 3 na oba 37 military hospital omonso ewo 4 Tema General Hospital ewo 1 and Ashanti region was 6 oko Upper West wa omonso ewo 1 and afi Northern region Tamale and so ewo 6 we ene ensem bebebe na enne ye betena se na yabobo ho na wonso a wo fie no wo de wadwe nkyere wo hwe screen so a obetimi e de wadwe nkyere e de afa sa number na e da screen so no 0543 596070 0543 596070 Epacho a test line and yes sir obefre so wo test message bia nsema yakeka na wa no komo na yedie no obetimi e de afa so ana se WhatsApp nso obetimi e de afa so na makenkan e de amount every pamo no ebebie ahoma trofo na tum ama won so a wo hwe ye no wo de wadwe nkire e de aba medical kase me de Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakus ene ye power ena ye de ebrel as usual DJ Lofty my guest for today ye be didi nkomo kakra na ene ye nya guest ba konso aka ho wose woye Virgin Prince oko Kumasi 104.1 Kumasi 104.1 hona oye adwuma DJ Lofty so hona oye adwuma omo abeka yensa ye no mba twetwe nkomo ebepam no yenya brighter nso ba abeka ye ho ewa ha abusanfo mama kwaba
Ega
na America amra Lofty so bibia boko de
sam na mi adom bibia boko
ahoden
wo pa
omo wa
one de den a wo ye nipa de wo bebo wa tie one ye bobi eno nche se enya coronavirus ye bo wa ni
Bobby
ye bobi sam me kai se enra na me hwe sister station bi na doctor pani bi a omo fe na omo interview no afi de ehwa no asinizi o sinizi ya na host na no obi sa na exam no bi ta na se na minia doctor na sinizi yo ze hwe na no me ne ma me ko dwom ni sinizi ye ni be ho ina peko adwane akọ e tie ye sinizi na afi ye sa boy wada da ti sam yɛbɔ wa dada nti
okay
normal
Virgin Prince Akwaba
thank you
bibi awako de
nyame adumo nyame hwɛ so
ahofe na
sa
ahofe na my medical starting fruits because so far the first time on the show
yeah
yen share pandemic by so far okay say o me ma be 3 minutes bia dey asa na be confirm
me da say sam mechia omo mo hwɛ nyina bebia mo wo bia mo ho donti na eya ayetabetina ti manya kwenya edie mechia mo nyina sam sa pandemic ye start ye ne bebia hia ase free China and abobo ba ama abedu Ghana ebedu Ghana no eyemeya esan say na me believe say prevention is always better than
cure
amba oso a eya na ano nya din say o kwatia because enya de aba but yantimi am prevent e na ebewura o man no afi wahu ne kunu ayedin na ka say prevent say mane wura kuri mu but yantimi am prevent anya wura mawi afi de so share report now 1154 people
started
2
na yes oh we there
nko be nipa 2 pe 2 ene free amanane na ye man microphone ti ase ese yare we nya ha na na ewo free ha free baby na buy na chese ye di free o man bi so ene di bo man nipa 2 pe na rura mu with sayare
but only ni say before 2 no na
it is possible because say yentimi anshati your airport your borders bibia no it is possible say na nipa bebre no abewre mu a omunya asaye
because o hwe time ye
nipa 2
6 match that time na badada
na bawo but ni enyan na mpenifo nya say nkrofo nya nko hospital ene ye hu so wo yare covid-19 enti me ni ameka ne say si arem then ye si ebetimi a contain yare no yesi ye hu say eni anu aduru ade a ya wo yare no ho sanka ti say malaria ene wo anu aduru anka no de say anka enya wa akopa aduru etu we de enya anu aduru World Health Organization say just say more about 18 months from the time I arrived Ghana no say 18 months I said 2021 and some of my timi anya anu aduru and no am ready say UK for omanya edro bi afa no mo test wo nipa so and before megia tum say edro we ye de ma yare we no e caught through a lot of tests enti enye asem ketwa e be kuma manfo bebre enti awremu awie enti den ye na hu ni aban ye ma hu ni ye ankasa so ye ni nyina no me sure say be can details enti no but nya me can say nipa bia o te wa ye say obo ho ban sisi ade ese otimi bo ho ban yare na wura ekroyi mu awi anasa wura ye country mu awi kwa na ekoso
okay
nti empire na ye bebo wa wo som nyame no som ne yie wa wo som bo som no wa som bo som yie
se kwa na se me yankwa asori nti
so wo tifie kwa otimi bo mpai yankopo tie mpai bo
na ho kan sheda nne
o dabi nya ho me kan asem ne ye ka sisi abebi samdakos bebi aye wo no enya about so person wo ko bo mpai wa asori
de kra timi ma wo kra no yare no wo kra timi tu wo gidie wo bishop binimu no wa kwa so no ko di asana sa yare no be ko
sa coronavirus and this how any respect for anybody. Prime Minister of Canada and then the year or chino. The Prince Oba Bema Odi Kama Queen Elizabeth the Babema Princess Echeno. British Prime Minister Prime Minister Ocheno. It's only respect for
sir we Ocheno Bogana to be memory.
Oh, Ghana. Unfortunately, the almost a secret. You need to cry, you're quite sure. And no, now, ye bawa, make come once, and there were a lot of reservations about that.
Mamma call DJ so far, all the you know, maybe my fear is the piano. And I say, me can say, I said, I'm more drop figures, no, so that's now. information minister amaya who said there are some things radio for media for no yenka the same idea omono ediamaye but then sometimes no yana o hwe the way anema na see ko na ultimate predict bibi man ebem hwe figures yenim se bedru sei na aba bedru sei then I walk afa ho
some doctors medicine na ya da hwefo no so asese da ne da omo sebre ehwe na some with this issue ye ka ho asem sisi yi o hwa enra na me ka bibi wo ha se asat Sunday na na do dan kwa Akufo Addo ene e be hia Ghana fo nyina be di ahia ewo eye Ghana na obema ye hunu se ye mre ye nyuma so na ye meye adwuma no na ye wo cases of 1042 no some obeka ya enra me kan se nyamia ya adom efiri na no kwasiada eba bepem enra no ye nya case bia na eye new cases ebeka ho na ye kan say contact tracing so ye hunu se ebi beka ho ana se ebi ama meka ho ohwe death na eye ne tie no na recovery no so no na I think say na ye 99 na ene nyamia ya adom oba recovery na say eye 120 some say eye ni sei na ye kone dia ene na some meka say one sha and the next weekend ye be sign ato ye ne Nana Addo Akufo Addo ahia ana say the next time Nana Addo Akufo Addo be san ba abeka kire Ghana for say die ye cases ye nyani no na somewhere na one hwa na ye keka ko be say 10,000 because o hwa sanye cases ni eba no o hwa enra pe na ye wo 1042 na ene
about bia o man fa enra de na meka ho ena mo de abeka ho ene
eno na me kan na je say
akwa say 2 days bia no omo
na je say enye 2 days bia mpo o hwa the way ade no esiba no utimu say ebi kra Sunday no Nana Addo Dankwa ne yebeka sa wie no the following day no eye Saturday no kra no case ni bi bai ebia na eno so be mienu miensa bi ena omo amfa ma meka ho nti omo de ato
Sunday the following
Monday ebia ma ena anaka kra bi ne baaye ena omo de to ho kakra ena ade chen ye nra enso ebia ebi baaye but na eno so ena omo aka ne nyina bom na omo de nyina ba beto say enetie say na koso dia and the next weekend ebia ye be wramu no say bia Saturday na Sunday no wan hwa na ba bia case no arise edu no na enya asem ketwa nti ye nya hwe yie kakra na ye mo ye ho ban yie because say na omo ate agum say ye mra nwuma so na ye meye adwuma no e de yam hihye kakra beba because nka ye na nka enen so ye betena ha yi e na eye 1042 no a nka be ka say oh oman no e bo no homoden na recovery no aba be 120 ye be ka say okay after the yare no etim no a ba bia aduna ne mom omo ho ato omo mum e doso but this the case omo ho ato omo no e doso kakra de nanso omo san nya bi no e doso mo e chen se ne enei ye de ani ehuni so ho enti nyama kan se sisi no ba bia e wo no de ye be sere obia nyine no ho mo no ho ban na dankwa oye na afamu de nanso se ye ntimamufo no ya anye ya afamu de na yam protect ya hu yie emfi yare no ho a by the time I be realize no na e bia me no mienu ni obi a wo hwe ya sabre na ye nso ye number akwako ka ho ama numbers na akwako doso e bia me prevent say numbers no sane yete no ye ma ne nkasa na me no mienu ye number anko ka ho ama na no
virgin mame emra o sikakra o hwe the number of death bana say it seems say more of encouraging because of Nigeria which African countries ni bia omu wu pa but Ghana no ewu no ye I think say limited
some yes we share ye baby ye corner ye wu no as a slow down but you see how many people 9 obi or share no because 9 no a number but 9 is not the number or let me say 9 is a number but nipa is behind that number nipa ba kokore wu ayasem
me ka
the Martin your person o na say so compare us to other countries yeah wu de de no wo form chen woko Kenya omu wu no wo form chen yes bra Kenya omu wu no wo form chen
no den oman no Because yenya no do.
Yenya no
do. No do, but etimi ehwe ema.
The last person bi owu ye a ekama kuma pa e doctor bi or a professor. On yes, on head the school of physiology e won cry.
Okay.
Or no or a professor was a yare mu.
Na
or some crofo yare an a chin. We needed a certain drug bianca bit me abwan. Na miti here no near you the plane. Ya high plane be a fat drugs ni be free Kenya. Before plane the baba. Papa na ka baby.
Wow.
Enti ono so ka owo no ho bi.
Yeah.
Enti wo hwe ya ye wo no enye enkosa. But mama nchire wade bi. Eno na me hwe the presidential advisor on health.
Okay.
To President Nana Addo.
Okay.
Sa papa no ye friend Dr. Nsiasare.
Yeah.
No ye CEO for Confanochi time President Akufo was. Iti or ye doctor pa.
Yeah.
Personally me nim no.
Okay.
O ka sem bi wo TV so nra. Na me catch wa ebebo. And I'll try to tell listeners. Say sa asem ya me ba be kan. Omo mo hwe TV nra. Say maybe a o ma me kwa ma me mbo TV kro na but omo mo hwe TV nra. Ade ni Dr. Nsiasare say omo projection omo aye so omo projection
of course
omo wo niam scientifically omo wo niam omo betimi hu baby ayare ne edi na ni kire eko enti na Nana Addo start here no his excellency one shut it down all the Ghana
yeah
ohun baby no o ka say oyen mayempie
okay
enti omo wo bibi omo de hwe sadie no o say omo project say Ghana ye 30 million people Ghana ha nyina nipa 30 million and a womb.
Yeah.
Oma project is a nipa 10% better stay positive for COVID-19.
Wow.
Yes. Nipa 10% of 30 million is 3 million.
3 million. Wow. 3 million.
What ye? It is 1,000 here in Namukrano.
Yendru
baby. You be 3 million. That's according to Omomo projection. It could be -1 or it could be +1. Yeah. Projection, yeah, we are.
Of course.
What's -1? No why a projection +1. One so wow. Sam, one so or say 3 million no more on tested positive, you know. 5% of that 3 million. Omoya really be serious on be woo.
Wow.
Min can't chant from it TV so.
Wow.
And run okay.
Ghana.
5% of 3 million. A 15,000 human beings on be woo.
Wow.
Dr. Nsiasare, he is the presidential advisor to Nana Addo on health.
Not just me tia sia e wo no beba ba ye de ndie slow kaka
slow sa no pese o kire mean doubt no because
unlike elsewhere
na e wo ni ba
ti ende beba
but slow onu onye ni paketo o ye doctor. He is not just anybody.
Yeah.
Or your doctor. Or no so na say true or man penifu. Ewo ya pomode ho. Ono na e ka kire ye say projection o maye no. Because omo hwe say na yare ne corner say na beye.
Wow.
There are 30 million people. 10% of 30 million benya omo test positive. 10% of 30 million that's 3 million. 5% of 3 million is 15,000 people.
Yeah.
Ebewu yare ne beye omo serious. Yentimi nso ano nti ombewu
na sa 3 million ye wo hospitals
thank you
health
thank you what bisas
isolation centers
thank you what bisas
hospitals do send ye wo
ye
wo bed
me say
ye dey omo beto so
Samdakos what bisas that's the perfect question to ask ye wo hospitals now 15,000 human beings Ghanaian are going to die. Projection on my year no. It is a what if you catch us a man pia. Me attitude is me person me bone. I want to put a certain fear in you.
Yes,
me cannot create natural. And you me cry make Dr. Nsiasare.
Yeah.
So boy and you me so me boy.
Yeah.
Me tie no no. PM Express join you so and okay.
Okay.
Okay. Eti yare no enye yare ni anu edru yare a ewo ho a enti se HIV a gise me ni oba bi beda anase koda asana makote
blood
enye bibia we die se me nam ha mi wo bi a obi anim o
we say enye o say
show
over phone
and so it doesn't show anything but now wa wo be mi mo ameni mo ye adwuma mu ma be tia ne bibia no so amobenya sayare enti me de nia meka ne se wo a wo hwe ye yare no ye real ehu enti bo hu ban bo no and sam so ye hwe mu a se nia ade kosro ne ye wo tu me ka me nua na me ne
but I think say mate say Dr. Nsiasari asem kan no wasan ba out be ka say entime enrusa but enya no kre say betimi adrusa
okay
nti amanfo mfa nche no
oh sa
nti e bia na ono ni projection na ohun ye no but enya dia betimi no kre because say enipa over 1,000
yeah
and enya bi na yetimi recover 120 na death omon bewu pa aye 9 means they are doing well.
You see me dear said Dr. Nsiasari abeka say wankasa ananse asem o kan yen fa nche na I'll be so surprised me nkasa on kan but what I'm trying to say is that he's not just any human being, he's not just any person. Because Sam Dakos Sam Dakos is an authority in movie industry.
Yeah.
Sam Dakos kasa me fan very serious.
Yes, I understand though, but bia measures omampanyini ene ne nkrofo de atonti abo na beba
okay
obewuram
okay
ye beyina pi
okay ene ye be bompa ye se sa na ekoso ye bompa ye se sa na ekoso in fact yare start ye binum kura na ye believe so ye de ye nye te se o mindful for ye bia na ye nya 2-3 cases bi na te se yare no ko
but still akwa na
ekoso Sam Dakos kwa na ekoso
lofty death rate now entimi pushing cost no wonya sure say ye man panyin measures a omodi gu akwan mu no eboa ana se me de kra de minim se bia Ghana no ye nya duru but empese e beka o dwen ho say
Sam Dakos sanya wo kan me nso me dwen sa me giri ye se enunti na omampani na nado danko Akufo Addo His Excellency oba abonten be ma Ghana for say eya me na me ka asem nhyɛ dem na yankuntia yare no afei de mahunu sɛ ɔman koko Ghana sɛ me ma mo kwan sɛ mo mpie na mo kwa abonten kwa ye munwum a ɛbɛyɛ yie me gidi sɛ ɔmampani hwɛ cases a na ɛwɔ hɔ saa brɛ no saa time no na ɛwɔ 1042
yeah
ɛna na am sɛ data na ɛwɔ hɔ no nso so na yɛ 99 nti ɔbɛhu sɛ sorry recovery no ansa na debt ne bɛhu sɛ debt ne yɛ 9
yeah
ɛna ohunu sɛ sɛ me ma Ghana fo kwan sɛ yɛ nkɔ abɔnten a ɛkyerɛ sɛ yare no yɛbɛtumi akɔ ne yɛde so nkunim me gidie sɛ ɔhwɛ ewuo no a ɛyɛ debt na ɛwɔ hɔ no sɛ kɔyɛ sɛ yɛ debt na kɔyɛ sɛ ɔman bi so deɛ a nipa no ewu bebree adeɛ kyɛ adeɛ sɛ nyina no bɔn sɛ nipa no ewu Nigeria yɛ 25 debt
but omo kra we no yɛ cases ne almost 800 something
yeah Nigeria there is 782 cases
1000
1000 kra so
but omo no
but omo awu no edoso e chen case me fa say eye ne almost cases a omo ye nya no kra no ya akwa ben nti me gidi say debt na enimu ntira na do dan kwa Akufo Addo e ba abonten be ka kire Ghana for say afa de mu betimi akwa abonten na makwa akotwa mu nwuma so na ma we bodwuma se sabre no na do dan kwa ani e be hia no se na Ghana for ne wo be 25 cases a 25 debt a enka me nyin ni say na do dan kwa Akufo Addo ba abonten be ka kire Ghana for say yen san emra abonten na ye ma experience sa ewoi enti se ne na Prince Eka no me gidi say se ye de nyama egu akwa mu yie na ye hwe se ne ye health personnel so no ye se ebi kura na nyame adom ye nya aduro bi a so ano ne mom on pese o munya concrete information about it and sana ebi o mo de aba beto Ghana for asum se ebi a say na yehu na bibi say ne yenso ya start a ye de minim se asat now o hwe African countries bi ti say South Africa ene Nigeria mo ne ade a they will be surprised. Say, I didn't think Ghana for the affair. A woman answer that enko be because abrofu bi kura predictions omo de ba ya say Ghana fo be wu bebre ne sa nyema no Africa fo be wu pa no me nyi ni say yehunu se ne ye na enkofo bi susu say ewuo no be kwa ni no
Virgin Prince ka say ewuo no be ba o but ebia enye say
good someone abetumi ayesa say ewuo no de ebeba Mika say kura no sani ye hu say cases no rise ko nanimu no some enya me won say ewuo no so betumi aba boom sa because you say no say eba say cases no doso na omo affected na
doctors no na afa ye beba
isolation centers ni bi anywhere
o papa ye hwan na afa ye de nipa hwehwe animu na ye be select ye be hwe na eduru ho a ebe ye de
and some o hwa and on say a herbal for ikra no and then yare a omo ho daguro no wo diabetes wo hwan and then yare we so a come once me yes wo sa yare bi te say diabetes ne yare ahodo a akeka kai ya asthma mo ne ade a wo say nipa no yare no ba so a e be very serious enti yenhwe nipa dodo a wo Ghana ha na omo wo hospitals ahodo a na ye treat omo about this diseases na omo so wo sa infections no say ko ba say obi wo yare bi ete sa na say yare bi eba benya no a yenhwe number of people a ye betumi anya akwanya na yetumi save your life ahwe baby bedru no na sa nkofo nyina diabetic patients ni ade nyina na say yentumi omu benya affection na so omu so be ya affected a ebia na yentumi anya eduro a ebetumi sustain omu a afi sa ewu a na prince kan wasemi wan hwe be experience ya ngududo no a e chen se ne nei ye feel say ye wo nine inti no Ghana ya boy homoden a say ya ye afomu dia but say ya hweye anya hweye na treatment bi wo ho na say empanifo no so hu eduro bi a ebia boy e sustain ye na mama ye nhunu na ebia wo fie kura na wo yare bi a wo so betime dia sustain ho kakra sam wan hwa ye benya yare no case be
okay I think say information amenya wa say even projections are na doctor no air can na it wasn't from him na yeah a free WHO and na ono so far so no the air kasa okay
sa na
that is the information I'm getting
what you say you program now we betimi a per video na hwe na wawa for me
okay kuma wo TV na woni gusu a wo hwe COVID-19 update na ye de every life ewo Kumasi ahojo Atenga junction and information minister on health minister ne kwaku bebrebe ehia nsemtrafo na informations a mode atudwa no ye kɔ na yakɔ akɔhwɛ na ye ba abadwafo ha ye beginkyeremu na fe wa wo fie no nso no watimi ehu ne yakɔ ene ne ba won so obetimi ade wo test line na say wo test message ade afa line na eda screen so no 0543 596070 0543 596070 nkomo ayedi se wo eho adwenkyere ana se information bi a obetimi e de afa line so ye bekin kan e de ama yenko enfo nyinu aye ba ye beto aso
Now, Makwaba at the Bakolike Medicals Limited, you Kumasi Airport Roundabout, Kwanya Kobo Kromo, Utra Police Junction, and Hanayo. Kolike Medicals, a year, and as a hospital, a Kumasi Kroduemu. I put a see a national say about the fire and Sasso Abwa in Kofodo, or how Nipaduemu in Kanyarewa diseases. Ye share your repeat say arthritis and no pemoni and casino sasabro is here dear ubia and some abu I was a shady few dislocation of any of the bones or joints. What the bakalika wow ama mato make us say what hypertension and now when you're diabetes and now when you're kidney problem or nice
districts across the country, they have an eye on areas where if it becomes necessary that there's a lockdown, they would impose a lockdown and curfew in those particular hotspots or districts, as you may call it. Therefore, the narrative or the view by some that we have lowered our response is incorrect. As we have gone through and tried to demonstrate, you notice that many of the instances we've either maintained it or we have enhanced it. And even in the case of the last one, the lockdown, which was just Greater Accra and Greater Kumasi, and not even across the country, that amendment has been explained of the new measures that are put in place. The role of the security agencies, we are told in the coming days, is going to change from enforcing a lockdown to helping us comply with all of the other measures that we are going through. So just a quick reiteration of the government response program. Government has not lowered the program. Indeed, as we have gone through in some of the instances, we actually enhanced those, and we'll provide some more details later. Now, one of our strongest tools is our testing capacity and our testing capability. We want to invite Professor William Ampofo, who is the head of virology at Noguchi. And they are also leading the entire testing program, which is coordinating a number of labs assisting Noguchi in this testing exercise to help us legitimate questions that have come up about our testing. We can rely on that data. Professor Ampofo, please join us with that. Just a moment for them to sanitize the podium.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Honorable Minister, for this opportunity to discuss our testing program. First, I would like to thank my colleagues at Noguchi, at the Kumasi Center, KCCR, Services Directorate Lab, and the CSR Lab, all together working day and night. I think there are close to over 150 people who have worked tirelessly to described on Sunday. Now, if you've been to Noguchi recently, you'd have seen the white building, the entrance of our institute. This building actually facilitated the process. It has enabled us to test thousands of samples within the recent couple of weeks. How have we done this testing? As you have heard, you cannot see a virus. So to test for the virus, we actually extract the inner component of the virus, and it's called ribonucleic acid. Now, how do we collect the sample, or what kind of sample do we use for the testing? Because this is a respiratory virus, we look for the virus in the respiratory pathway, okay? So we take swabs from the nose, swabs from the throat. We also take sputum, which you bring out from the throat. And then we also have another method where we introduce salt water into your nose and you blow it out, and it's called nasal lavage. So these are the 4 types of specimens or samples we have used in Ghana to test for the coronavirus. When these samples arrive at the lab, whether it is Kumasi or Noguchi or the VSD or the Public Health Reference Lab, we go through a process to enable us to utilize the reagents or chemicals in a very efficient manner. We simply pool the samples. What is pooling? Pooling just means that if you have 1,000 samples, you put them in pools of 10, and therefore you test at a time 100 pools. So in a short time, instead of testing only 1,000 samples, you actually test 10,000 samples. This simple arithmetic is what some people cannot do. If you want to understand how we are able to utilize our existing facilities using a method which was derived in 1945 for screening samples right from the blood bank, this is a very efficient way of proceeding. The other thing we've done is that to ensure that we are actually not diluting the sample when we mix 10 of them together, we simply took one positive sample, which was at the limit of the detection of our system, and diluted it 9 other samples which were negative. Therefore, we would determine that if we pool 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 together, we are still able to detect the first sample, which is at the limit of the positive detection. Again, with our partners, we have the late kind of equipment to be able to do this direct detection. So, as we started, we realized that as the number grew, we were actually pooling 5 samples, and then we changed to a pooling of 10 samples. And this simple protocol was followed both by colleagues in KCCR, and of course, it's now adopted by our colleagues here at PHR BSD. So in a nutshell, you can understand that it is not impossible to have tested 68,000 samples, as His Excellency the President reported when he addressed all of us. Actually, since he addressed us, we have actually tested close to 30,000 samples, again, using the same method, because each time we do 10,000 samples is actually, a multiplication of a simple initial number. So please do not be surprised if in the next couple of days you hear that we have tested 100,000 samples in Ghana. It's just a matter of, multiplication and addition. Now, how efficient is this process? We don't just test. Each test that is done follows quality control step as indicated by the manufacturer. We have actually used 4 different PCR kits in Ghana. 2 of them provided by the World Health Organization and the Africa Centers for Disease Control, and also the West African Health Organization. So you can understand that the test kits that we used are according to international standards and verified by these organizations to ensure that the process we are doing is in line with the applicable procedures. Also, we have established a common quality assurance program where we have exchanged samples between KCCR and Noguchi to ensure that samples that we say are positive at Noguchi are also checked by KCCR. And we have also done the same thing for samples from KCCR. Furthermore, the WHO has established an external quality assurance program, and we will be taking part in the external quality assurance program. I understand that the Africa CDC also starting such a program for us in Ghana. You've also heard about rapid diagnostic tests, and the policy that the FDA, the Food and Drug Authority, has adopted is that all such rapid diagnostic test kits have to be evaluated and assessed for their ability to pick up a true positive, which we call sensitivity, and the ability to rule out a true negative, which is called specificity. So this process is currently ongoing, and we have established a panel of blood samples that are truly positive and that are truly negative. We are in the process of reporting back to the FDA which kits therefore are most sensitive and most specific and therefore suitable for use in Ghana. This will then enable us to do more testing, but the results will be in combination with what we call the PCR, so that we can accurately describe as somebody having been exposed, accurately describe somebody as having been infected, and accurately describe somebody as having been previously exposed. It's very important to understand the distinction between these categories, or else people will think that they have the virus, whereas they have just been exposed and they have actually recovered. I think that this is a sufficient explanation of everything that we are doing so far on testing. If there are any specific questions or issues, I think that it's brought to attention and we will once again come here. But I must thank all my colleagues in the background who you do not see. They have worked tirelessly day and night in 2 shifts, making sure that we are able to provide the testing to support the COVID response. Thank you very much.
Prof, you're touching my podium. You have to use Tizer. Professor William Ampofo is the head of virology at the Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research. They are coordinating all the tests across the country. Prof will join us later. to help us understand a few questions. So we have admitted here on this platform and on several other platforms that out of this about, is it 20,000 currently getting to 100,000 in the medium term tests, there are some tests that have been done more than once. Why? Because, for example, if you look at our recovery rate, 99 people, what it means is that those persons were tested 3 times, the first positive test and 2 negatives. At least, if you look at those who were in mandatory quarantine, they were tested at least twice. That is 1,030, and then they were tested about twice. So you will find some tests that have been run more than once. But Ghana is reporting that we have done about 80,000 tests. We have also admitted, nobody has hidden it, that some of these tests have been done more than once. The question is, how many of these 80,000 tests have been done more than once? And does that take away from the view of Ghana's test numbers? If, for example, by the time you do that mathematics for us, it is 0.5% of the tests that are repeat tests. Does that mean that the 99.5% of the tests, singular tests, which showcase Ghana's test per million or Ghana's test capacity, should be thrown away, should be discounted, that therefore numbers are duplicated? Prof, we'll need you to help us later. It fits into the question of whether we are reporting number of tests or people tested. Because the big question is put up, are you reporting number of tests or people tested? But the real question is, what we have admitted about the double test, what percentage of the total test is it? And does that negate the essence of the entire testing exercise? So, Prof, you have to help us to understand all of this. I want to quickly move to case management and case count before I come to this model. Because Dr. Nsiasa, we are all scared. You say 3 million people and 15,000 would die. We are all scared. So we'll come to you to help us with the details. But I want to move to case management from the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Patrick Kuma Abuaji.
Thank you very much, Honorable Minister. I'm using your slides. Good morning. We will just give you a brief where we are as of this morning. As you know, we have the cases categorized into general surveillance, travelers, enhanced surveillance, and then the total. Under the general surveillance, as at the 20th of April, which we are reporting, we have 401 cases that are reported positive. We still have the 115 travelers who are quarantined and tested at 115. Through enhanced contact tracing, in the last 3 weeks, we have about 638 positives, bringing the number to 1,154 cases at today. Out of this, we have had about 120 on having recovered, a change from the 99 in the last reporting. Of these recoveries, 82 have come from the Ghana East. UGMC has reported 17 recoveries. Rage House, 3 people have recovered. The 7 military hospitals have recorded 4 recoveries. Terminal Hospital 1, Ashanti region has 6. WA has, in this case, has 1, and Tamale has 6 cases reported. Of those who are well and responding to treatment, including those who are asymptomatic, that comes to about 1,021, accounting for about 88.5% of our cases are well, no symptoms, and those who have mild symptoms are responding to treatment. We have 4 people currently in critical or moderately severe condition. Only 1 is on ventilator, and these are in Ghana East and UGMC as we speak this morning. So, in a nutshell, this is what we can share with you. A significant number of the people are currently in isolation. Thank you very much.
Dr. Patrick Abadi, thank you for that update. So now we have 120 recoveries. Doc, did I hear you correctly? 120 recoveries? Doc, 120 recoveries. 120 recoveries. Okay, and making our way through gradually. We'll also invite you later to respond to questions that our colleagues may have. Shortly, I'm going to invite Dr. Nsiansari to come and explain this model of 3 million people to be infected, 15,000 to die, to come and explain this model. Before then, it is my understanding that chief executives of state-owned enterprises, the state-owned enterprises themselves, or entities, is it the entities or the chief executives? The chief executives of the state-owned entities, those that come under SIGA, have also come together with a contribution which they want to make available to the COVID-19 Relief Fund. Honorable Deputy Minister for Information, please join me and let me invite the representatives of the chief executives to join us and to make that presentation. May I quickly mention that the COVID-19 Relief Fund, that money does not come to central government to utilize. I think it's an important clarification you have to make. That money, please come to the front here, please come to the podium, yes. That money does not come to central government to utilize. It goes to the fund which is administered by a board of trustees. A board of trustees led by the former Chief Justice, Madam Prez Akufo, and they are going to administer that fund in accordance with the law that was passed by Parliament. And that's the hypothesis I gave, that if Ghana stayed without doing anything at all, that's what will happen to us as a country. That's the 10% of the population having being infected and 20% of them getting sick and about 5% of them getting very seriously ill. But I said, and I'm sure they should have quoted me on that, that is the case in Africa. If I base on the facts and the data that we have realized that our actual figures are far below what WHO has quoted. And it's because when we saw the WHO hypothesis, we were a bit scared. So we put a lot of things in place, which the Honorable Minister have mentioned, especially the preventive etiquette, which has become a new normal in the country, social distancing, ban on social gatherings, and also ban on limitation on or restriction on coming into country, because we realize that most of the problems that we have in this country were imported. So after doing all these things, and also we restricted movement in 2 of our great metropolises to get the data that we are using now. So from seeing the data, it has shown clearly that in Ghana, we won't go in that direction. And luckily, His Excellency the President has added more measures, like wearing masks, where everybody here is wearing masks. Because if you wear the mask and you go out, and then your brother and your sister is wearing masks, you don't bring the disease home. As we have always been saying, the virus no legs. It's human beings who carry the virus. I want to just make it very short that it's not true that Ghana will have 3 million people infected before we reach the peak. We will never see that. Because as we speak now, as Dr. Abuaji said, the number of deaths in the country is 9. 9 deaths. If you calculate it according to the percentage of people who have been infected, it's 0.7%. So it's nowhere near the 5%. If you look at the number of tests that we have so far, we have 1,154 positivity, which counts about 1.5% positivity people that have been tested. And if you look at even the negative rate, it's about 98.5%. So we are not getting near, or will never get near the WHO hypothesis. But as we speak now, there are a lot of people who are doing modeling. There are different modelings coming out. Worst case scenario, if you do this, if you do that. But the modeling is not even static. It's dynamic, according to the data that we see every time. So at the end, Ghana have a model for this COVID-19. And I can also assure you that when we follow all what the measures that government has put forward, and everybody stay at home when he doesn't have to go out, there will be no much problem. But that's not it that we are out of the doom. So please, this is what it is, and that is how our affairs are. And as the president said, we'll be back by data and science. Thank you.
Dr. Nsiasia is the President's advisor on health. Just to reiterate the point you have just made, and let me see if I get you correct. Doc, let me see if I'm correct. What you are saying is that this is your comment that 3 million people could be infected in Ghana and 15,000 out of that could die is based on the WHO hypothesis or model. But as a second matter, you are saying that even what observing in Ghana, the actuals, does not correspond with that one. And that thirdly, what you are saying is that the kind of measures that we have rolled out, we expect that that kind of global model that they have put in place, which births these numbers, when you feed into it the Ghana population, it will not happen now. Okay, I think I understand you well now. Actually, if you watch the clip of that interview, I think the journalist was also asking you, is it a hypothesis or is this a model? I'm not too sure you caught and answered that part well. And it's part of what has fed into the position out there. But the clarity you have given us this morning, we are grateful. We'll have an opportunity to have our colleagues ask you some questions later. I think these are the major briefs we have for you today. We're going to take questions at this point in time. Before we do that, it is my understanding that the National Health Insurance Fund has a quick contribution that they want to make. Dr. Selby, can you please join us? Colleagues who have questions, please show by hand. 2 at a time, come to the podium. And while we're waiting for you to come, Dr. Selby is going to come. So, Professor Ampofu, I've already given you one question about number of tests and number of persons, and whether that takes away from the narrative about Ghana's testing efficacy. We also had a second question that we have also noticed coming up, that if you look at the line graph, and there are different types of graphs. So look at the data that the Ghana Health Service provides. There's pie chart, there's a bar graph, there's a line graph. There are some who say that if you look at the line graph, it suggests that you are suppressing the data, that you are recording some cases and not reporting. I'll need to add that to your questions and explain that to us. So National Health Insurance, this is a check of how much? 250,000. Oh wow, 250,000 cedis. And we are very grateful for this contribution from the National Health Insurance Authority. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ordinarily, you should be paying for our medical bills, but since you are not paying, it means you are supporting payment of. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So we have questions.
Good morning. My name is Prez
Go ahead, Credo.
So question number 1 to the Director General of Dr. Nsiasia. What does the possibility rate on the Ghana Health Insurance Ghana Services website actually mean? Is it at the same as the prevalence rate of COVID-19? And then what is the incidence of COVID-19 in Ghana? And then my second question would be, are we reporting the number of tests or the number of people tested?
I think I've asked that one already.
Okay. And then out of the case count as of today, how many of them are part of the 18,000 backlog of samples the President spoke about? And then if someone is tested and asked to self-isolate, while the person awaits the results? How do we ensure that that person really isolates him?
Okay, yasan ababio yako ekohwe ministers omo aye briefing ma omo church COVID-19 emu ensemsem omo ma Ghana fo nyina information yemfa so a yebetimi akon yare no e de afri ho. But then say wa utifie wati some information ya but ade a memfese ye di hu komo pa communication and I say how ye betimi ama some information we akọ obiasum how ye betimi ama some information we ya de bia yen president and the ministers edemayen e kwan beso ena ebefa ebetimi akọ layman e ka se obi a layman a sebe obi a wan ko school da na onti brofo na onni ade hu nimdie bia kwan beso ena sa information ebefa so a ebekọ so language a yempanyimfo efa so ede yare hu informations ema yen wo a otifie hu no say eye say yen president Nana Addo Akufo Addo obeka brofo ana senko oka brofo no wie a yemfa ne kasa no enko languages bebree mu se ne be ya obi a sebe yare no onte ye ohunu ye ana se onim na de ban no obehu kwan bafa so a obon hu ban pacho Tesla no at that screen so 0543 596070 0543 596070 pacho obetimi edo text message edi aba na yakenkai edi ama ana se obetimi so edi afa WhatsApp na eno so yakenkai edi ama kama we was good evening my brothers. What the doctor said concerning the projection of the COVID-19 would put more fears in some of us, but I believe God will heal us all. Amen. For the Amen as also Ibrahim. Yes, we say so. We say, why are they saying you should make it secret? Politicians don't want you and I to know the affected number and get the assumed amount of money spent. No money, no foodstuff supplied to the household in Ghana. Yet you had the money. Oh wow! You had the money, which is $1 million. The World Bank gave out to support affected countries. Ibrahim Kujo, alias Mugabe, okay, and also the or the Abasin Economy. Before you call your issues, generally, and someone honorable Kojo Ponkuma, any other ministers, any health ministers, Crawford Yamra Doctor Nadenos. I think say clearly Doctor no abe clear no say and yet sana or fin say ebeye name. But my favorite videos were phones. Okay. Ama me am who say ampa. Me am na man hwe ni bi. Okay. But my show of phone so say ampa. Why me da se o ka se wa hwe video ni bi sisi a. Yes. Yes, and I call you me nkwa na ma hwe me video. No, yeah. And I meti and I think say it was TV so there. Enya won nkwa na baby. Thank you. We are sure say be phone no crowd be akasa ampa. But sisi a wa be ka asem foforo. But that's okay. Omo ye mpanimfo. Enti ebia they should have massaged the message. Yeah. And I want yen is unsa Dr. Nsensari you be or can I same plain. Ebia unsa o join a ban so I want to mean by car same plain. Yeah. Enti metenase or apart from so your advisor to the president, he's also advising a politician. Of course. Enti the politicians will not want
say messages be say be bo nipa hunu be back out. They have to manage the fear of the people. Yeah. So meeting say obekaso say na opesa ochira. That's okay. I don't want to begrudge the doctor. Okay, so it's yemfa ne waka sisia. Aha. Yemfa ne waka sisia say eno no opesa ochira. Okay. That's okay.
Okay, so generally my friend say brief ya on the buy kakra be na be come before yakwe main topic.
I think that is what every country needs. Periodical briefing. As for amananimpo de every day the president, in fact the president can briefing no. But here the president kasa and sana minister na be briefing. Yeah. We need it. Yeah. And committing here more and more cry so that people see the seriousness. Dear way because enya adeketo will say minister of information they be almost every day every week be obekasa every Wednesday be obekasa. It means that adeni is serious. Yeah. Because omo kasa sa iti media the American say you be bad language omo use but the American say this is right ni omo ye no right so omo brief here as to ni aban ye ni aban person oye ni aban e dia gu kwemu no mo chirechire mu ye hia sa de ne pa.
All right, DJ Lofty say omo ba no week bia ba ko no enough and I say at least send the jare see cost run dem come yan 3 days bia kran ka fin say enka better and
yeah some that goes you are right. I say send the jare no AC kono de bia no say no Ghana fo nyina wo hwe programs agodo a ye wo TV so any radio stations agodo especially ye media for no wo hwe your programs do no ya suspended and ye jai na ye de ye COVID-19 ho update e de ma on enema bi sei e na ye hwehwe some say na ye betena ha da bia
every day bia ye bet sure say
ye pese ye ma Ghana fo ehunu enema e ko yare no kra ne mpempen so akodu sei na anije se ma wo mu say ye de betena ha sei dia some ye kasa language a ye ka twi kasa no na ya na ye taka intimidate say
ye be language no so but then generally no yeah na mpese mu say omo every days ni bi ka ho ema at least on say na Prince Eka say other countries every day but the end of week Wednesday bia na enya information
yeah some ho na me ka ba no enti se na ye betena ha ye Canada bia no nka mesusu sese nka aban ne mpanin for na say ministers no omo ntumi nya ne da bia ma yen but every 2 days bia no ka omo mra bonten na omo yen hunu ne ekọ say ebia 2 days bi ebia ma meka ho a omo san update here say oh okay nhihye we ade we ni ye ya within that 2 days no yen san tumi anka cases ni bi e ba sa e be ma say ehun kra e wo nipa bi mu a e be ma no eno no so aba form kakra oh na ye ka stigmatization ho asem a eno na ye ka ho asem senka omugu so e ma yen briefing no bia every 2 days a and komoma ye say education no any sa information about sa stigmatization any sa nyama na some enka me feel say e be boy more ama and that's aba because ye train every bia every Wednesday bia information minister be ba be kasa asema ode ba kra yenim e de na ode ba obeka asem be say na Nana Akufo Addo ebre bia so as o Nana Akufo be kasa bo say wa ama ade na chen so be ba wa ama oh Ghana for ayi o maso epe yare no ho nsem atie na yehunu some say e ba na san so a e boye ma ye ya hwe yiye mo so because information minister na ba be kasa asemo yi asemo obeka ye ti sane doctor yi e ba ya obeka ya ti se wasa be sesa na no yi on say enka figures odi ba yi enka be mo obi a se bi ene woda so to a on believe say yare no wo ho no what figures bi a ti say 5% ebe wu a over sa nipa dudu we ne statistics odi ba yi nka be ma eyam shisha beda nipa ni bi so ama ya obeya ahwe yiye because ene wo kokro mu a some ade we ne bo nya den 2 cities enso still na krofo nim ye ntira esese okoyi 2 cities na ode koto face mask oti ase obu okra na ene se na me ko bank obi ba bank na street ne ka chane se masa mpacho be wo nsa na wakono ase masa me ma wo me nsa ma bre you see enti senka ye ma nkofo agu say yare no say na ekọ every 2 days bia
and my mom say banks no yeah pa because and then me call me bank na me drew hon. Me drew her no more day, you know, a shoot too. Me mama's
temperature no.
And now so we okay. We wait my call. But I think say and also no ebe buama yetimi sebe omo a yare ni bi wo so.
Yeah. Nti nka ne say no no. Omo nso ye omafo mu de because banks ne ye omafo mu de. And I believe say enye banks ne nko a. Wokọ other institutions ne other companies ne so a. Dodo no a eye saa ade ni bi. Nti ka ye hu ni say na ye no. Na ka omo ma ye update ni mo. Eno no be boa yen ama ye hu say ehu hia say ese me share face mask. Ese me anase nose mask. And I ehu hia say also me wash me sa. Ehu hia say me namo a me de me sanitizer enante say na be ya bibia ni a metimi ayama say na be ya yare no me ye affected. Say ko omo koso ama ye update na say briefly no every 2 days ah. Some I believe say nka eno mo be one more than say ye twen ya na wotwe na aba no eno no nya ade a ebeboa.
Okay, now to the question. Questioner, ye busa ne me pese wo a wo be frame no. Won so meje wadwenkyere ana wo do wadwenkyere no ebe fa ye WhatsApp line na that screen so no any say language ben ena yemfa enkyerɛkyerɛ COVID-19. One, yen starting free throw. Ye man panyini ebe kasa. Oka brofo. Na no na me ne brofo bi di nkomo. Obi say ono de say president ebe kasa ensem mienu ena ya watie. First one, fellow Ghanaians. Ena owie so thank you. Enti ensem oka ye nyina no tupe ena otie. Eno achi no say yen information minister ene yen health minister any other minister see press briefing na brofo ene yeka mi busa say yentimi enya other languages because one say politicians abaye rally a omo si form a twi ena omo ka omo ba Ghana amba Ashanti region twi no omo ka omo ko other regions bebre twi ga any other languages omo pese omo ka asem e ma ne to amanfo asum to mo breaking it down but yare we me hu ne sa another question me busa enti wo anu ye bia me pacho na ode aba na mabaja fonso ye be bobo ho ye wi a ye be bie fun ni natum na won so ode wadwenkyere e de aba I'm starting free virgin virgin
yeah
language ben I was use
some medasepa say let me identify gap bisa ewo saa ye COVID-19 ne education e koso eya me ya ena enya me wan so bebre some as a language president bet me aka ne brof because he's not just speaking to us as Ghanaians.
No one kasa.
Oni apart from so oni ye kasa no. Oni outside world so kasa.
Say
I agree.
Say ni yatu bodamu.
Yo yatu
bodamu.
Yatu bodamu no say yatu ye TV ni ye internet.
Ana abrafo no kra no. Omo no so
I agree. So you say that as for the man at the top, he can use the language he wants. But ye want more as some disseminating language, at the platform to the lowest level. Nipa war country mu no betimi atiase. Enya one say do elections it me ye advert in krankasa angula kasa awusa kasa dagbani omunyi nanya bi but yare e be kun ya man for the who say ye nye sa kasa ni bi. Do you know say
and they make sure say all
the stations etuaka ema ye bo radio so ye adwuma wo radio so di me say yetimi schedule isifua enukwa about 10 times in a day.
Yeah. And to him say ewura man for.
Thank you. Den na we die. The last time I meet here the NCC director ewo kroma NCC for the National Commission on Civic Education.
Yeah.
The BF4 man who be a moon na so more educated people. Almost so many car chrome they call hinterland.
Wow.
Sika kra ni ho a omode call ye sanye me.
Ana na obi edit text message ba ya say na sika ya yesi yensa kan. Ana yensa nyanka.
Oh yensa ka. In fact you compare $100 million. And a World Bank for say Charlie. You be mam $1 billion.
What you say?
Yeah.
What you say?
Me compare $100 million.
And mama
$1 billion.
It is our 1 billion.
Even though say a busia, but a once in one, a kit way be
young fan say, TV station, radio stations, information centers.
You see, what they are doing right now, should be to say, who are some darkos, a private person, programmer, why invited guests, say a buy a petrol, sika, be a Duane, be a one out here, one a mouse.
No, you're too much on the air.
But none can the papa one can say a mouse.
So,
a bad fact to know, say, the benevolence of every media house. But every media house ain't me confer that by any so better now. Uncle Fai Benny so better now. Uncle Faway so better now. And yet, no panel says it's your language. Ofus a man for baby, Motias, a tree. It's a tree. Yeah. What about your known teaching? And
just say Antibro. And
you say Antibro or several for your money himself. But you remember your known teaching, of a day. It's a yes, you cut down to the last person. All cut down to the last person. You are just teaching him, say, Arabia ba. Say, Nessa, we are betting your bone by our own Yaya. And think, yeah, programmer, chief for FM. Yet another programmer, maybe I will for almost what they say, what the Yafa easy, dear no, a easy, a good time I bet to about who send your more yard veteran. Brofo Beba and Cranford dear Beba, I before dear Beba, or Bia dear Beba. I don't know we ain't me yes I would TV. What was I didn't know TV's one? Ebia me na me hu ye. Ebia who be? Yo. I didn't hear yes where a ye yare e betime ku amanfo. Election dey say nku ye.
David.
E ya ban said ye so be boy ye hu ban. Aban said ye. So be boy every Ghanaian hu ban. Whatever he has to take no. E so ye. Say here who say lofty tena radio so no can COVID-19 one. And you say your man is cow.
Ono
ye na adi. Nti ese ye di language ne ba form. Said ye yetimi eye ECD no man ko mo obi atese o abato bre bedru ye koto abada sei no ye nye sade we kra na ye ehu hia pa ye mfa advert in community radios enye nkrankwa na ye say advert no kra menye so say omo ma radio station bia omo person mo kire say ene radio for no so nia mbetimi ya aboa o man no.
Of course yes so yenim say ade no your viewers esu hia no yes ye dey am
na mo ye
but dem can say on say yare no efri abrochire na eba
every China na eba
na ebedri enkran so obi fra abrochire enkran
no seed first
fine nti enkran for no na me fa no say almost start enya contact na eba aba Kumasi
akọ Eastern region
now kwa sebe ye nkro nketo no
yes
eti say yantimi and starting say and the church wo mo se ne ade ne city a enya koduru ho de am ye sure say
Sam enya won say abrochire o mampeni kranya bia yetimi ka enya won but krom ha onim nipa kro wanya coronavirus why is it a secret?
I think the nipa ba ko mate e papa so anko
but onu de so wa mono ni onu de enya ye nkrofo na kan yo e you can buy na kan akaye anko yare beda anko mu nka da
okay
but you came on na ye commissioner wo enti e ho de so obekọ hospital ye be bisa ne didi BBC force so be de betu dwa
of course
enti e ho de omo na mo ka mo asem okay enti nia me pese me kan say ese ye bo ade hu dewuro se ne edu election ye bo ade hu dewuro no ye bo we so hu dewuro na amanfo nti ase ne ye so mo ye ne ye so mo nye na omo ntimi mbo mo ho ban because it is the responsibility of every Ghanaian to be well to the right to life it he ban said ye so be ma obi ati asema ye ka asema ye kan ye ka bi odagba ni mu ana da bi me hu advert bi e kasa me obi a me hwe news me hwe TV pa me hu bibi sa enti ye be sre ne ye sre se omonye budget hwe ena me ba studio e ye me ya unim se concert ya ye say virtual concert Shatawale no mu koye ye 1.4 million Ghana cedi Shatawale no mu agisika ene ye de ye concert it is sika
na free
concert enye free we wow we ye samda ko so betimi aye investigation na be ka se me transfer wa ha
okay
me ba so oti na me it is sika yi ye ntimi mfa ntua advert agiedi omo ni kwame yuji omo agiedi because omo betina baby aye 15 minutes performance ni 30 minutes ecosis it is sika yi ye ntimi mfa ma radio ni TV mo mu bodero ma manfo mo what down hon te say eh yare bia ba o yesi me yesi ya metimi abom me ho ban yesi me yesi ya metimi abom me ho ban na ye dia koma nipa ba ko ne mienu bi e no ma gia sho mo ho mo wie ezo me ka je ezo mo anji sika bia enti me de ne me ka ne say dede ne de yesi yetimi ye
okay
enti yenye dede no yen communicate to language through language a nipa betimi atiase enye yinia na yete brofo enye nyina na yete twi no enye nyina na yete ayigbe no nti obi anya ne de a obi be well prepared and sana yare abeku ye nyina afiri Ghana
okay
misre sam misre say yenye sadie no said ne yetimi nye sika bo elesi hu deru no we ebeku ye ama yentimi nkoye elesi
now ukoye election na se nipa na o ye no omawu a wende all right Kumawu TV na woni gusu a o hwe we ye COVID-19 yenso ye de a ye de aboa ya hwefo any information we a ye de ebema enche maybe mahomatofo na to na wonso wo de aba me be call DJ Lofty ho but me message we enfri o say Ibrahim was say our leaders should speak the local language rather than the English because some of our parents can't understand the English language. For me, I think it should be across board. Thanks. Okay, and also Nidia and no. We say, oh, brother, it's not easy. Oh. Please, I don't know what come and he upon lockdown. All right, it's very big problem now in Ghana because our leaders like money more than everybody in Ghana. Okay, and also Nidia on Friday Ama. Lofty, quickly. Say yenya day language ben. Media me feel senka even K2 tree. I can language in Kwa na Quebec manfo assume than the English language.
Sam, you are right. On say Oba Ghana ha ye capture no more. A check kasa bia sana meka no. She say obi e wo northern region ana say owo ayigbema mu ho baabi kra na say baabi owo no owo Ashanti region or baabi ti say Greater Accra any other
mention no me call northern region she say about 70%.
Yes,
omo country
kasa no. Oh, because man from
tree pa
na frafra and then over corner Ashanti ni obia for Ashanti region na or northern region.
Yeah.
One which say afrafra because of enuma odwa ye nti ama aye man from afra ye na ya frafra. Me gidi say senka man pani ana say information ministers no omo ba bonten abekire yare mu nsem a omo pese Ghana 40 ase ye ene ebasika se mu bo ana me ra hopa sam because sika no ye bonus a na ya bono wo brofunu mu sa no a me ma me abere wa sa bi ono ton tomatoes ene nyaadoa ekura mako ton wo Dr. Mensa on ti sa sika na se
na do bi ti answer follow Ghanaians
and thank you
na akwakoye a how bebree some uni mi enti a China ogugusu a development there is no way abekọ China mem na abekọ what is a China for omo ya either press conference and I say omo ye bibia omo di English language ene beye nko China nko musa me nko hoda baye ni nkofo a omo China ebi akọ school ho ebi eye adwuma akese e wo China obi sa omo there is no way omo meeting na ye beko waka twi kasa e wo ene obi free Ghana ha no kwa China okwakusua Chinese language
ansa na wotimi aye adwuma
ansa na wotimi aye adwuma e wo me ba to tene
say amaya omudi omkrum kasa eye o
develop I know na make enti na ma China ba bi mo ne ene wo hwe China wiase nyina omodo so chen Africa fo
omodo France wiase nyina omo na ma nyina akose dem
what na make omo na me akose dem
I like that
what you say enti adan na yem panifo no nsua sa ade ni na yem fa ye language ye culture no yem fa tete o man no because say me dey say some say ye culture no a e wo o man no mu no ye yusu ani ye yusu ni ye ani ye language no a enke be why development na ma na timi akwa ni mu ye ba
okay
na do dan kwa ba ne kasa ekura na wo ka no wonti ase je say ye asa betra se some na ade a e won a wonim na kwa bi opon kuma e ka asem bi na no pa we say media for yes minister no media for sometimes information bi na e de kwa abonten aya na enye concrete nti no wo de information bi ba abonten a eni kwan say ekoye say unye professional na say information na wo de ba no unye obi a oye health personnel unim ade no a eni kwan so ba abonten na wo ba beka but brofo no so a mo ka wo ho no say na mementi ase eye me say wo ka wo brofo no wi a me amete say nya me so meti ase no me bana me church mo sa na me ka no enti say wo pani ye na ba say Ghana fo nyina ye to ka sa ade
say omo ye twi translation radio so near that a story back the way back can overcome and now we so can
different thing but a story back but obia edge them or kind of so
obia wo ninti ase difference
say no city ase nti sa no be fa so akyerechim nti say minister na ba bonte no be ka sa ene ye so ye be put challenge e dia man say on pese media for ye be kyerechire nsem no mu yie ama listeners no a omo ye ahwefo no omo so di achi da bia no on be nyanti ase ni ye dia ene omo fa brofo no nto baabi because minim so mo nyina ye Ghana for mo titwi omo mbra bonte no mo meka ne twi no so mo ka ne twi no mo ka ne yi a se ne omo beka no ye so e betena se a obi a wante ne ye ka se ne o ka no sa ne ye beka no ama omo so nyanti ase eno nti so nkyerɛ sa me ka se omo ka bibi a ye so e betena aka bibi different but brofo no omo beka no se ne mementi ase ye me no sa na meka e dia kyerɛkyerɛ mu e dia kyerɛ nti so omo pani yi a omo ba bonte a omo ka ye language na ye twi language no na Ghana for enyanti asem feel say eno mo betimi aboa ama yetimi akoye ni mo
okay me feel say eno mo betimi aboa ama yetimi akoye ni ye bebie ya homa trofo na tum na won so de wadwenkyere e de aba bisra o phrase na de bia meka no obama wa fidi no aba form ana se volume no aba form na metimi ene wo akasa ye twa ye ho sima ba akoye ba ye bia homa trofo na tum
No, Makwaba Ediba Collique Medicals Limited. You come say airport roundabout, Kwanya Kobo Kromo, Utra Police Junction and Hanayo. Collique Medicals, a hospital, you come say Crodriemu. I would see a business here, the fire and Sasso, Abwa, and Kofodo, or how only Pedriemu can Yarawa diseases. Ye share your repeat say arthritis and no pemoni and casim sasabro is here there will be in some of I was a shady few there will be dislocation of any of the bones or joints. What the bacolica wow amato make us say hypertension and now when your diabetes and now when your kidney problem or nice attack. But modern brand now only ever 20 years. Now you will immerse some quite a year juma. And yet, no one so you will infidel about law on one. They check the Pedriano, your laboratory sector, and they share the Pedrian in Moja Muya, dear air cost and Sunday in a true account. Sebi, Aposia will fear your common school, Aposia, dear, if you move with tech, if you move with China, and I can't one woman. Ye was said, the part would do be of a buy and channel, and rather fire and sasso, Eddie Apoto, Amawon. Eddie, Unia will hear me. Open baby aqua, open receive be aqua. To Tuanamobra Collique Medicals Limited. You will must say airport runabout. Kwana Kobukuna say I'm to aqua national. With my friend telephone numbers now more affiliation. Nasa and Wabi and now how we a show swap. To Tuamicabra. Never ever fire so up wow ama honto apa any abusia for any number for you na eso.
Collique Medical Limited. physiotherapy units and their training. Uba Yasuya, your Yadiam Briasa, a high massaging unit, your machine. I did give me a beer, the children pinning castle, and I say, now also the joint area, and no side and China, your UV light machine. I get it, that truly panels what say, Emporo, Ebia not linting the blood vessels, no, baby, SC, in one cloth swap, and warm intino, Emma, and Mujano, it's me, a deep of Sunny. Say, Obayasuya, your Yadiam Briasa. And yet, and blue and one at the mount, yes, our machines are, yet they a Nipian who do not say they are, according to the hoarding. You can't, you are able to say, a year male and female infertility, Oba Polychem Medical Limited. Say, Oba, or power, one out, one wire the amount. And I said, Batman, or pet a war, not in Pamuano, and holding him out with me, Ama Oba and insane on fat, let me enter her. And also that China, a yet true. Ubia when you're true, set Nifa and Nadido, and I said, Nipa be a munina and Nadidua on family entry. Yaribit said kidney problem, a typhoid, Jones from we are here, and in the we are here, syphilis, gonorrhea, and not yet, there is a woody blue hat, your vicinity. Yeah, but a man so effort one, Ubia all fibroid. Say, yes, now would you know, Yaribian with them on family entry. A man, Ubia, or war a year. Now, also tired here, and I said, we be our own mina, if you are depression, if you are stress, and I must.
Limited, you come say airport roundabout, Kwanya Kobo Chromo, Ultra Police Junction, and Quality Medicals, and as a hospital, you will come say Crodriemu. I put a see a national say that the fire and Sasso Abwa and Kofodo do I or how we can Yarawa diseases.
Okay, Pamachoka Crams and Asan or Pamkaka, but the American SMB and Homanatu. Wait to me a frame in life, not yet to train and for more. And some I can't away who are home in Tribia, will bet me at their back. And I feel so. It was say language by Anna, young penny for infant church, Yadia you moon sem and tray, and your tree, and I said, Bofona, fellow Ghanaians now, Anna, Yenusu, and I say, young fan call other languages no. Sanya Baya, you bet me at it, Nayatiasi. But your folk can be the politicians cry no more bar. Mobile heart, now free. One of my decision, your language do not my best. When you are now free, acquire brofo, ye. Name baby, I had drink and cat. Yea, I say a cookoma, near Quayare. Cookoma, no young camp brofo crown will be at to say, you be near Ruby cry. Yanny Yankasa, your chair cookoma. You drove the crown near the tree. I drove a friend to say, near Kaya dear Boko. You say, I want your because you say, your health personnel, or more yard dear pa. He will no ever from and cost. That means, say, or more yard dear, or more yard dear. Your language near dear Cassan. Your man in your tree. And I say, hello. afi.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Pacho, didn't we have me free?
Pacho, because of this, yes, Richard.
Richard.
Yeah.
Manankoy.
Pacho, and I'm economy. I have a part of me again, and you say, if you want to my academic, say, 24. Or as you said, and you see, which you know, how much fair is car. Your Penaka, Yadia, Abanka, you could pay. I can have proper a language, different language, said that they are the chat. And the almost found Omukwai, and almost share. And up upon a canon, a true politics, someone. Almost to me, a use language difference, a politics. But we are a banker and all. It's not really panel.
Okay. Okay. I think that.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, baby. I'm Kasafri.
The Kasafri do pan of him nadine.
Okay. What did you say?
But we did the family.
Kwame, Manankoy.
If I told Yamishamu, Namo Yamishamu, Jumadia Moody.
Yeah, that's about.
Hell. I'm saying, Ghana paying for the Yemu. They say, do now, Mokoy, and not yet. Yan Faso be out. Say, I only Minister Bicata. Hello.
Yeah, me too, Pakasa.
I am TV, no, and my Islam.
Yeah, Kasa, why? Okay, young fellow.
Hello.
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 Yeah, good evening.
Me Kasafri Libya.
Who Kasafri Libya?
Libya na me Kasafri.
Who did it say?
Me did the Frimpong.
Frimpong, Libya. Okay, Kasai.
Me say. Kata mo kanu nyina ye wa ha na de tere se ye nyina ya ko school ni bi na amman be brezo na nso ya ta English na nso no ye omkro man akata no very important wo school ni de ya ko be fine na nso English ni nya dia wa se dia public no bia na ko school ni bi eti se kan ye dia wa se o ye yankasa ya man no kasa no. Yes, very important. Okay.
Okay. Libya. I'm not cancer matrama. I want the brother na catramana. Okay. I'm saying went to me and you know so. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Yeah, John. Evening.
Good evening, baby. I'm from free.
Patrol from ya John. Free 1 fee.
Okay. Yeah, Manankoy.
Me match man say me de Ghana pay for no do bia me di mo ya papa anything when we say abai na chesika bi dia ba they say assembly no na obangu we say sika no mo twabaye no omo bi mu di atoto Robert I think omo di to di omo di tarto omo hina no omo fa bi ma na asa omo say sese asa odi bi tarwa na nipa no okọ otukwa na obere na hu say ibi se ni yeye enti ka mi nko mi ma tini dia esa nka ba no nko ti omo ye nse na nko omo di fa sikara omo di ba samire no na nko omo di bi ema ankura na obi anya bi wotukwa na ye nse ema
okay
Nanya Sadia and your Ghana, you pay for the Mumma, Abasan, so I need to do yes.
Okay, Benso, hello. Okay, also waiting me yes, sir. The purpose of the English language, actually, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Fine.
Would you never be out from me free?
I'm a good thing. You make a section my way.
Okay, Madam Quay.
That's so I couldn't really extra at least. You time would you that my sebum was. I'm planning for not them to say when you fly in a month in a young. No more a month in a movie, and more now. Cafe said the animal cannot cast and carry a woman me or mine. Now 7 cries as the number of 4 or now at the Nankayaki, and we have a different for pocket here. As one no more back at no more. If you say I really about you, or more for home, you for you, money. And can't cancel we can see a for one. Which me a cassette near my best, and now the other couple a for honor, maybe you. You see, I again for us, we are for everyone, and my Ghana might in you are Ghana, a woman for Edward. You see, I'm to inform us, a clear for no. And I mention not only some of them, and the more and coffee.
Yes, so yeah, that's a pan. I may also. Na onso bibia enkoso onso bet my friend na what one dey
Hello.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening.
Hello.
Would any baby out from me free?
Good evening.
Would any baby out from me free?
Traffic banker.
Okay, Madam Quay.
Because I'm in Ghana, case Zudo Ikuta.
Who Ghana there?
Case Zudo Ikuta.
Case is Dudu Ekuta say. Say so far you were 1,154. 1,154. And
oh, 1,154. Not someone I can say almost 150 no local down 1,154 is the Alex out to Obian Common. Then I say I land there. I'm in a quality for the power.
And it's not, I just said, walk over home buying, but one crown home buying. Now, protect your home. Right.
Aha, really, I start buying so many begin found. No, those marks not. I'm not finding here, say, I wait my supply mine and set me down by home buying.
Okay.
Had a massive.
Okay, so that's it. We are there, no, Obia and Kuni deal. Hello. Hello. Okay. Hello. All right. I think say you not program we are not hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Hello. Apom kise.
Yanko pardon also.
Yanko Addo.
Who didn't never be offering me free?
Because of the
Okasa free Italy.
I
Show YouTube and I say show TV so.
I'm a hero TV.
Okay. Yeah, that's a plan. Now Italy is saying.
Italy boko.
As I say,
hello.
You will not ever from Kakra.
We will not ever from Kakra.
Okay, before I go ask you, why Italy come over 1 minute today? Hello.
Hello, what is it?
Me say before I go ask you, no. My Italy come 1 minute per hour COVID-19 no.
Italy is here. And then you get even, I don't know, about 467.
As about
467. So, yeah, the few of them, you get your infrastructure, and not a blue drugstore. Apart from maybe
now, most of you know, I'm a mama behind it, I'm a feeding more.
Oh, I'm a Diana, see, I know, I'm a Diana, yeah, address, you know, from more side, the Opa, a more address, and would have called the leader of the third year, the Duke of third year.
Okay,
and VP in your field.
Yariano, I am rare.
I got a rapper, and they are rapper.
Okay, but that's a fancy. I feel cause some man why.
I think I make an Yama Ghana, no, at the back in the Yaman pension, 3 language, you know. For one time more, actually, English, you know. Over you, but yeah, a more language in a very important. What about 4 months? It's a Mokatarona or Moka. What can you do for Monte? What was Spanish here, apart from Spanish? What can you do about mathematics? You Mokatana, you move when you have. You can for moment in more than English.
Okay. Yeah, that's a pass.
It's other more than a number of here, but very important.
Okay.
Yeah,
that's a pass.
So, we are present to be no of what comes up now, let me use here on the block. The green south will screw on the block.
Yeah, but that's a pass. Why? Shall we see you now?
Oh, you're that.
Because when you're tipped, I'm saying, young Reno, I a bit. As somebody never come quickly, women bear 1 minute to be nothing. Yeah. Libya for yes, some no YouTube. Yeah, Libya. Emotion or TV so straight. Italy, emotion or TV so straight. And the TV a quite change. TV baby organa.
Okay. I know the Nokrapanti, when Tuntino say, oh, we got on deep now to see a bomb that woman. Now upon what they are now, but you don't want to get insanity. You come out into Kakrana or Fabra. The Bishop, I say, I was the one. You say you boon, I mean, you say a cassia, I mean, you boon. Sanity. You will better send your cassia, I mean, bonus are prepared for that or the Brana, your mom, the room, some ear corner. Because I make an say, I don't know. On my penny enough for me. But some company po anya what mamuni na wunya wonkwa na opesa wo hwe nkwan na owi abetie ne nkuruma kwan bi no na opesa wo
company no nye at least eno na obi kan no smacks fine 2 cities ne bo nya do no but at least onya be 10
yes some
ena wasesa no
onya nye enti onya nye ni enti no wontena sim megidi ese wodie ya ebo hwini eno mampani na de brew
of course
but wo pese wo bo ho ban free yare no ho na wonye infected nti na wakope nose mask na wo de ase because yet ye wonim ye obi nti wo bo ho ban
yeah
aban ne mfa bi ma ya watumi atobi but obi nso so wo ha ontumi nto
sika kakra na ba no omfa ese mo ma aduane ni ya omfa ma ya sa ne ma ne
mo nya nye nti mo nya nye ne de wo yetimamu ne de omba ye minim so omba ye nti ye yetimamu fo ne de ye momode na make sure say ye be boy ho ban e de free yare no ne mpo na do dan ko Akufo Addo ne mpani fo mo anya wo already ne wabo ho ban dada se de be yare no onkonko fa bi yare no wo ho be se Ghana fo nyina se mo ma obi anya na fo mu de na mo no ban free yare no na ye nyina ye ntena se ye di ni ye no e no ne Nyankopon be fa so
okay DJ Lofty no virgin
Sam me de ni American say it is a responsibility the number one responsibility of Abambia, for that matter, Nanado Prez Akufo Addo, His Excellency. So be bought name man for home.
Of course, yeah.
It is a responsibility. Say so top paniama you, my editors you said there you.
Acquire free Italy.
Yes. What in your kind?
Sister, who doesn't say them?
Yes, if you do, he has to. Now Canada for your mom would be near some more 2,500.
US, yes, $500.
Thank you.
Near some more.
Thank you.
Now they don't mind you cry them my nose mask.
Thank you. Okoka, ebekwa koye nsem bebre.
So that way the politics as
yo. Because you see,
they're alive and dead.
Yes. When your people die, who is going to vote for you? When your people are not around, who would you campaign to? When your people are not around, what will you do?
Okay.
Now, it's a ruling over human beings.
Now this
Median American say, young boy who buy. Send a menu account. Man, chow man penny be, my name a ball who buy. Wa ball who buy. Wa told no smacks. Obe Pia, told no smacks, not a pea. Oba, and yes, so could to be a who hear what, Tina fee. Nay, young boy who buy near bonfire say yari, baby a free buyer. A bear's also a synchrophobe be what or more. And yet, dropping the amo, so tia or yani amao tiare. So bowa near mao a word drew. So want to me whom me I am our respiratory drug. Nini na ne say a wow. Now immune system no build it. Now to me a quarter yare. It's what you want did ye. Did ye? Who did ye jalipa vegetables ni fruits. Now ne build the immune system no.
Now you're training.
Now you're training. Now you exercise. It's a no na beti me a wow. It is a yare no craba. What's a doctor can say? Obi wo cry or yare no now so yare no ntimi nkanon to ho. It's me yanehwe.
And I also our no to me call.
Not to be called. Because when it's me and fight it, so a man for who say, your blood cells be where you move. Oma koye ti say soldiers. Your red cell and white cell. Obia will be. Ni omo ye ne say yare bi ebe bowa, omo no mo kutia yare no. Nti e to de bia, o feel say o pese o yare na so e wo ho a na wo ato. Yes, so soldiers no omo ye red cell and white cell. Omo kwantia yare na, omo timi edi no so kunim. Then na obetimi amasa o soldiers no manya hode. We do any power. Okay. All
right. Medasipa Virgin Prince. Obia oye presenter. Wajidimpa o Kumasi FM CCA. And DJ Lofty and so presenter. Ononso Ajidimpa host to also Kumawu TV. Ono nso eba be kan yensa ema ye ne omo adetwe enkomo aseda be kwa mo pa ukọ engine room Augustina and Loretta omo na wo MCR and VTR omo hwe chinchim nema ama bibia ekoso kama Kobe Frank enso obi a ono nso na ohwe yen cameras no de ema yen AJ Hipsy ono my update na fi o produce de ama yen na your bench, so your PRO, and also at the end. Nikki, you bet your pa, also, or your presenter, Kumawood TV. Ochinozo, and also Ebo Hopa, Sancrofo in a boy, produce your mammy, so, Medin Eddie Samuel, Quabana Daku, aka Sam Dakus, Mede Ebremo, Nyame Eyaduma, Ochina. Ye be sign Asia. Ye koi. Kawachi o. Na me ni bi TV series eba. Hwe.
No makwaba ediba Kolike Medicals Limited. You Kumasi Airport roundabout. Kwanya Kogo Kromo. Utra Police Junction e hwana yo. Kolike Medicals asye anase hospital e wo Kumasi Krodue mu. Na ebota yesi eni sunu se ba de be fa yensa so aboa nkofo dodo a ewo haw ewo woni padue mu nka nyarewa diseases ye hwe ya repeat say arthritis eno pemu ni enkase mu sasabro isisi ya de obi adensem abu e wo se hye ni obi wonya dislocation of any of the bones or joints o de bakalika e be boa ama o mato because say hypertension and now when you diabetes and now when you kidney problem or nice arthritis but modern brand na oni ebe tontia na yewo emuro sonko e de ye adwuma enye no nko aso yewo mfidie ahodo ohono a ye de check di padua no yewo laboratory sector e de hwehwe ni padua no emogya mu